Hey guys, welcome back to this week's cleaning video. Today I'm going to be picking up the entire house and just tidying it up. It was a perfect day to do so just because it was raining and gloomy outside. So I'm just going to take you guys along with me and hopefully this motivates you to pick up your house today as well. Hopefully you enjoy. So just starting out with the upstairs, I'm just going around each room and showing you how messy it was, so let's get to picking up.
Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling, tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
And here I'm just using the laundry detergent that I made myself, so if you're interested in seeing that video, go ahead and check it out. But that's why I give this laundry detergent a good shake before using it.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling.
Moving on to the kids' playroom, we took the armoire out of there and just hung the TV on the wall just to create a little bit more space in the room. Now that the upstairs is all picked up, it's time to tackle the downstairs. So again, here's just the before of the downstairs. For the most part, the house was pretty clean. It just needed picked up, but this table was a little dusty, so I just gave it a good wipe down.
Cigarette ash, it looks like snow when it falls in the wind, you know, and you say you wanna dance. You're worried, you know, you'll end up in the wrong hands. And you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends? And you're having fun. What if it never ends? I'm lacking sincerity, but you don't care at all. This booze, this cigarette's trying to take me home. Falling in love just a million times, breaking it off, put the feeling on ice sail. She's as cold as December.
Lastly, just moving on to the kitchen area, I was just putting away groceries that I had gotten that day and then moving on to the dishes.
I swear.
Just gathering all my grocery bags. I do reuse these for the small trash bags throughout the house. If I get an overabundance of them, I will just return them to Walmart and have them recycle them.
And you are nothing.
Since doing this video, I have rearranged some things in my kitchen, so let me know in the comments below if you would like a kitchen organization tour.
I'm lacking sincerity, but you don't care at all. Miss booze, lit cigarettes, trying to take me home. Falling in love just a million times, breaking it off with the feeling on ice. She's as cold as December.
Alright guys, now that my house is all picked up, it's time to light a candle and enjoy my clean house. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this relaxing clean with me. If you did, don't forget to check out the other videos on my channel. I would love for you to subscribe and stick around for more. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye guys.